Okay, hello. Nice to be here. And, well, how AI will revolutionize the future of healthcare? Well, I cannot give you the exact answer to that because there are obviously many. But the next question is that how do we know that which are the kind of paths to the right answers? Well, VTT is therefore to live the future, test the near future things, and to develop the solutions there so that we can pack them and deliver it to you. All right. I'll give you kind of examples of the three areas. And first one is the preventive health support. We know that the lifestyle gadgets and the solutions there, also the home monitoring devices are quite well entering to the use of people. And well, that will definitely provide new ways how to data is provided to the systems. And the second is then the predictive diagnostics and care. There are a lot of data silos in public healthcare, private healthcare, and now when the health monitoring is also shifting towards the home monitoring and the health on the move, how to combine data there, and which are the solutions for those. And then, obviously, when we are data coming from persons in real time, almost, when they are not in the hospital, when they are at home, when they are on the move, and so on, that will definitely, revolutionize the entire healthcare process. And where to start there, and which are the kind of things with where to invest. So those are the things that, glimpses that I will give you a few examples. But first, digital health research and development at VTT. So we are developing sensors, new types of sensors, exploring the new materials, finding new solutions. For example, you may have all the time wearable patches and that sort of things. Microfluidistics and the point-of-care diagnostics. And then connectivity, next-generation communication systems and protocols and that sort of things. How new type of devices, wearables, and special type of medical devices, how they will communicate, how the security is handled, and how are the antennas and RF design done in a way that they can communicate when they are inside of you, on top of your skin. Then data analytics. We have about the 100 data engineers and data scientists. A big part of them are doctors and with huge experience of using so-called machine learning AI type of methods for developing algorithms for this domain. And there are a lot of, enablers, big data sets, population data sets, registers, and cohorts and the biobanks. But then the data analytics part, so we're focusing on the biomedical data analytics and, of course, bigger scale AI type of things and machine learning things. What is so-called heavy AI or light AI and that sort of things. Then, of course, clinical decision support systems and important thing, data processing pipelines, how in the future the data processing will be split into different devices. 3 examples I will give you. First one is about the things that we see that might be coming, the kind of stress detection on the preventive health supports. The other one is then the predictive diagnostics and care domain, cardiac care, in which we use the big hospital data sets and then combine with the home and wearable data. And then if we think about that health on the move, how that will relate to the healthcare process optimization, new type of algorithms there. Okay, yeah, we'll saw already the first piece presentation. There are global experts on the stress detection, and we have tens of projects going on also on this area, how to combine different things and how to find meanings from the, how to say, never seen before data sources. So here, for example, our approach is that how can we monitor the mental load 24/7? Is it possible? Can you, for example, see here that, okay, if you have a presentation on Wednesday morning, and when you should start to prepare it, from your behavioral pattern viewpoint, what you should do or what you should not do. And that's something that we are aiming at. Well, solution here that we are trying is that we take all the possible information that we can get from the wearable devices and also from your mobile and other digital devices. You have unique digital behavioral fingerprint, and then you also have your own response from your body. So using AI to combine this information and provide the kind of a stress index, and possibly also provide you the explanations what you should and what you should not do, and in a personal manner. So just one example. Then cardiac care, where we have done the kind of a data-driven risk analysis to identify the possible complications. So there are data sets in a hospital, okay, but people, they want to put them pretty early to homes. But if you have the home monitoring devices, how would you assess the risk then? So combining the data from the hospital data sets and also home measurements to provide the kind of risk indicators. So we are using kind of how do we call them? Not to reveal anything kind of secrets, but the state-of-the-art signal and just machine learning to reveal the kind of mechanisms that could lead to serious complications. And well, we have acknowledged that, okay, what type of devices, what type of sensors there are kind of optimal to put there, so that you can quite reliably to predict that when you should do this and when you should do that. About this one, there is one of our specialists here in the VTT's booth that if you want more information, you have to discuss with the Mark. Then one interesting topic is that now when we are thinking about the wearable devices and they are getting more accurate, sensors are providing more meaningful information, and well, companies are thinking, and healthcare organizations are thinking, would it be possible to use them as a means for providing information about the patients on the move? Well, currently we've seen that the wearable devices and the activity monitors and that sort of things, they are quite, how to say, not accurate to provide the information. Well, step counts may differ quite dramatically. Energy estimations may also differ quite dramatically. What is the realism? So we have applied the deep neural network methods to provide the more accurate recognition And then why to do that is that if we think about that you need to monitor the patients on the move, you need to really know that what is the situation there and what is the short-term, long-term history, what the user or the patient has been doing. And that need to be accurate. So the algorithm that we have developed and then tested, and it can be used to develop kind of a adaptive and a personal health of the move application service. It's trained with the kind of population data and then changes into personal quite quickly. It can be applied into sports, wellness, and healthcare, and it can even combine to some activities from simple activities to the complex models over time. All right, high accuracy learning model, which is immediately personal and can fit even into a smartphone on the small device. Okay, then VTT is here for build the kind of a better health solution services here for you, and we have a lot of projects, lot of expertise there, and whether it's preventive health, predictive health, participatory health, and personalized, and priorities at the moment are early diagnostics, effective treatment solutions, proactive health management solutions, and medical information and the patient data availability. So, thank you very much for listening, and hopefully you will find it interesting and come over there and chat with about your detailed needs. Thanks.